Apprentices build their own toolboxes to, first of all, have a place to store their tools, but also as a means of personal expression, I suppose, and as a way of showcasing their skills. So if you show up at an employer's place and you show off your toolbox, and they can see beautiful curves, the joinery, the selection of material and the tools, that's some sort of a business card, more or less, you know, which shows your skills and what you're made of, what you can do. So this is a class for beginners and people who maybe have a little bit of experience doing woodworking but who would like to explore doing stuff that's not quite so blocky, that's a little bit more curvy. Maybe people who are interested in, you know, exploring the skills that go into building a boat.